Hi guys, so are you looking for a hearty, flavorful and incredibly healthy rice dish that's packed with protein? Today we are taking a humble ingredient and transforming it into a complete feast, our delicious soya chunk rice. This isn't just a simple pulao or biryani, it's a brilliant way to enjoy a meatless meal that doesn't compromise on taste or texture. We are talking about juicy, tender soya chunk infused with aromatic spices and layered with fragrant long grain rice. It's quick, it's wholesome, and it's perfect for satisfying weeknight dinner. Whether you are a vegetarian or just trying to eat more plant-based meal, this recipe is a guaranteed winner. So grab your rice and your soya chunk and let's get cooking. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also, please do share my recipes with your friends and family so that they also can try these delicious recipes at home. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, to soak the soya chunks. In a bowl, add 200 grams soya chunks and add double the quantity of hot water, as the soya chunk will double in size after soaking. Then give it a nice mix. And soak it for about 20 minutes until it is nice and soft. Meantime, make a ginger garlic paste. In a mixer jar, add half tablespoon black peppercorns, half tablespoon fennel seeds, 7 garlic cloves, 2-inch ginger, and then blend it to a paste. So the paste is ready now. Make sure it is something like this. Make sure not to add any water while blending. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then check on the soya chunks after 20 minutes. As you can see that they are double in size now, and also they are nice and soft. Then simply squeeze the water and leave it in a separate bowl. Make sure not to squeeze too hard or else it might break. Do the same to all the soya chunks. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan, add oil. Add half tablespoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 green chilies chopped, 35 to 40 curry leaves, and then fry it for few seconds. Then add the paste which was previously made and fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes until the ginger, garlic and spices are nicely cooked. Until it releases a nice aroma. Then add half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon garam masala, and then fry the masalas for about 2 minutes. Until it releases a nice aroma. Then add the soya chunks. Add about 3 tablespoon water and then give it a nice mix. Let all the soya chunks nicely coat with the masala. Then add some salt to taste. Add 2 stock cubes and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook the soya chunks for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. Then add 1 large bowl rice. I used basmati rice. Add handful of chopped coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons ghee or clarified butter. Add 1 cup crispy fried onion. And then fry the rice for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon garam masala. And fry it for about 2 minutes. So the soya chunk rice is ready now. And there you have it guys, your very own incredibly flavorful and high protein soya chunk rice. Just look at that vibrant, wholesome and satisfying one pot meal that proves vegetarian food can be absolutely delicious and packed with texture. I truly hope you enjoyed making this recipe. It's perfect for a quick, healthy weeknight dinner or a fantastic addition to your lunchbox. Give it a try and let me know in the comments below how you seasoned your soya chunks. If you love this recipe, then please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Don't forget to ring that notification bell for more delicious and healthy recipes from our kitchen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.